I'd seen it all before. Claims of teenagers making money online where adults struggle to understand how. Buy my course. You'll learn how they do it, they always claim. Same pitch, different disguise. Now it's AI. At some point, I stopped believing anything real was left out here. Then I saw him, someone quietly working, not peddling, not shouting, just using over a decade of trial and error experience. He didn't pitch me, just handed me a pan and said, "This spot online is different." So I tested it. I was tired, but I still had hope. Not in magic, in his long experience. He was no teenager, not when he started, not now either. The work was just simple, quiet, doable, and also used AI. If you're curious, let me show you where I found him.